Okay, to make this bow you need 2 pegs and glue. So loop the ribbon over to whatever size you'd like your bow and squeeze it in the centre like so. Get your wet glue and just add a touch to the centre, and just make sure you do get your bow lined up correctly. And then with your peg, just hold the peg in the centre of the bow. This basically just frees your hands up to get on with anything else that you need to do. Then on the back of the bow, just cut the ribbon, sorry, where you're not going to see it. So your second bow just needs to be slightly smaller than the first. So again, loop it over, squeeze the centre. You don't need much glue at all. Just put the glue on either side of the centre ribbon. Bring that up, and then peg the centre again. And cut the back. Just make sure you do level them up. Not very level, but never mind. So basically, when that's dry, that just gets glued on top of each other. So here's 2 I've done before. So, oops. Put the glue in the middle. Stick that one on top of there. Again, you need to let it dry for a little bit. And there is your bow. So, a lot easier than actually using a bow maker. And then you can just, in the centre, just stick a small bead just to hide where the glue will be drying. Hope that helps.